What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making a fire breakfast sandwich. We're going to use a bagel, smash patty for some sausage. Let's check out these ingredients. So here's the bagels we got. These are everything bagels. Love them. They're our favorite. Up here we got some patty or some balls that we're going to smash. That's some breakfast sausage. Got some thick cut bacon. Hash browns, sorry. We got some jalapeno diced up, some onion, that's just sweet onion, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, a couple of eggs. Then I got some scrambled eggs over here. We're gonna do that for the wife after this, so let's get this going. So let's get going on these hash browns first. All right, we're gonna put down a little olive oil and a little butter. Mix that stuff together. That's how we love to do it. We love our hash browns with a little olive oil and a little butter. Just melt that stuff up. Just gonna make one little patty for it. All right, that's good enough. All right, let's throw this stuff on here. All right. Gonna kind of get it into a ball. Just like so. It's roughly about the size of the bagel. So that's that. Just gonna let that cook up. Just like that. I'm gonna let it go for like 5 minutes and check it out, see how it's looking. So now let's get going on the bacon. Let's get some bacon going. We'll get that going over here. Actually, yeah, we're good. Alright, this is that thick cut bacon, just how we like it. Get up there. Stick and get out of here. Alright. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands after this, so bring you back in just a second. So I forgot when I was putting these hash browns on that I was going to be putting the veggies on too, so they're going to be stuck back here. So sorry you guys can't see that. Oh, got me. That was a little hot. Alright, there we go. Let's just turn this stuff up a little bit. It's going to be hard. I wasn't not paying attention when I did this. Got a little butter, a little oil in that. Alright. So now we're pretty much playing the waiting game. I'm going to wait until I flip the bacon one time before I throw the the sausage on to smash it. Just because that's not going to take too long to cook, so I'm not worried about that. Now I'll get a little butter down over here. And let's get these bagels going. Just put these over here. Look at that. We love some bagels. Get you out of here. All right, boom. Just get that in there. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna leave this stuff over here, and I'm gonna bring you back when I'm getting ready to flip this stuff and throw these patties on. All right, one thing I forgot, throw a little salt and pepper on these veggies and the hash browns. Ooh, yeah. Man, the smell of that black pepper just, it's so good in the breakfast food. All right, let's leave them go for another minute. The bacon's getting there. Now let's work on these, actually I'm gonna switch the bacon to over here. I did take the bagels off because I don't want them to burn. I just want them to be good when I'm ready for them. So I'm gonna just move this bacon over. I'm gonna use that bacon grease to keep the griddle good for this smash. So let's do that. All right. Boom. Little patty. All right, let's just give her a smash. There we go. Now you can see it shrinking up as I was pulling this thing off. All right, but yeah, that's gonna cook up real good, nice and fast. Let's get you out of here. Let's check these veggies. Veggies are probably almost done. Oh yeah, we got a nice char on those. All right, these are done. I'm gonna move these to the side. I'm gonna move this bacon out of the way a little bit. Keep the veggies over here. There we go. There we go. That's looking good. All right, so now, see how we're looking on these? Pretty sure the hash browns are done. They look nice and crispy. I'm gonna put them in some bacon grease over here, because that ain't gonna hurt. I mean, you know, down the road it will, but we're good right now. So that's almost done. Let's go ahead and put these bagels back on. I did take them off, like I said, because I didn't want them to overcook. I got these two burners off. These two are on medium. Yeah, medium. So yeah, we're pretty much done with everything. We're just waiting for the bagel to warm up and the patty to finish. We're putting this together. This is gonna be good. All right, so we're gonna get down on some eggs. Put a little oil down. I'm gonna put a little bit more butter. Just a little bit. Get in there. All right. Yeah, I got the griddle pretty hot right now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna crack the egg right onto the griddle. All right. Boom. Can you give me that fork? Forgot my fork. There we go. Forgot about this. All right, there we go. We're just gonna break the egg like that. Now, I need to put this right here. I'm gonna get some veggies. Put the veggies directly in this egg. All right, a little bit. Losing them. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna take this other egg. Break that on top of this. Don't you dare try to run away from me. All right. Then we're just gonna, boom. Just gonna flip that right on top. Keep it coming. Man, even my spatula is so hot that it's cooking the eggs. All right, we're just gonna let this go. I'm just gonna flip it right up here as it starts to run away. Boom. All right, everything's ready. So let's build this thing. This is looking phenomenal. This might be the best looking sandwich, breakfast sandwich I've ever made. This looks phenomenal. The only thing I wish is that the bagel was a little bit bigger. Oh man, we got the melting cheese, everything. I love the sausage. Love it. Oh no. Neighbor's home from work. But the sausage patty, phenomenal. That bacon, nice and crispy, that's how we like it. The veggies, they don't have as much of a crunch as I would like, but they're still super good. And that egg, the eggs look all brown and stuff because it's dirty from, you know, all the bacon and all that stuff. Oh man, I could eat that every day. Sorry, it's in my teeth, I can feel it. That's all I got, guys. I appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up for me. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.